This is a cell of a human, of you. Or maybe not you, but of your body, because if you really think about it, you are just a brain piloting a bone mech with meat armor. There are many different parts of this cell, but the one we want to focus on is this, the nucleus. Within this nucleus, there are 46 chromosomes, arranged into 23 pairs. Let's just take a look at one of the chromosomes. Within this chromosome is a little twisted ladder arranged in a double helix. This is the DNA that everyone talks about, or at least has heard of. Here's a question that you may have not thought about before. What does DNA stand for? It stands for deoxy...
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Yeah, that. This whatever it's called, has these little rungs on the ladder made up of 2 out of 4 different proteins, cytosine, guanine, adenine, and thymine. Each rung contains 2 of those proteins, called base pairs. You know how computers are coded with little ones and zeros? DNA works similar to that, and uses these base pairs as its ones and zeros, creating its own genetic code. It determines the different traits about you, such as hair color, blood type, or how much you grow. These genes often come in those pairs of chromosomes that we were talking about earlier. With things like eye color, there are only a few options for it to be. Tell me, when was the last time you ever saw someone with purple or rainbow eyes? In cases like these, those few options are just specific forms of genes, called alleles. Genes and alleles are passed down from parents to their offspring, which is why families always look alike, and why for someone to have red hair, both of their parents have to carry the red hair gene. All in all, you're made out of tiny little cells with tiny little chromosomes made up of tiny little bits of deoxyribonucleic acid made up of tiny little proteins, all to make up that bone mech with meat armor. With tiny little bits of oh geez, I still need to figure out how to say that.